The Mountain Max 800 returns for 2022, not only in attention-getting frost silver and Team Yamaha blue color scheme, but in 3 different packages. For the large footprint required for serious deep snow and steep alpine ascents, the 165 track with 3-inch lug offers a fantastic fit. If winding your way through the trees with the convenience of electric start and a little less lug for some trail capability is more your thing, then look at the Mountain Max LE 154. But if playing in all areas of the steep and deep backcountry is your choice, Yamaha's new Mountain Max 154 SL or Superlight is the choice for you. Yamaha's removed the electric start, shortened the seat, and reduced the size of the gas tank to ensure the lightest weight possible with the most amount of traction in the 3-inch lug. All models come with Fox QS3 front center and rear lockout shocks, potent 794cc 2-stroke engine, and single beam rear skid. When you want to explore, look no further than the Mountain Max series, part of the Yamaha limited edition line.